Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Versa tail light. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need both a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver, along with a plastic trim removal tool to protect your vehicle's finish. Begin by opening your trunk and locating the small access panel situated directly behind the tail light assembly you intend to remove. This initial step ensures you have everything ready for a smooth process. Now let's get to disconnecting. Use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry open the access panel you located in the trunk. Once open, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the tail light. Gently press the small tab on the connector and pull it apart to disconnect the wiring. Next, locate the two retaining nuts that secure the tail light assembly. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove them completely. With the nuts removed and the wiring disconnected, it's time to take out the assembly. From the outside of the vehicle, gently but firmly pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the car. It might feel a little snug due to alignment pins, but avoid twisting or using excessive force. Take your time to ensure it comes out smoothly without damaging the housing or the surrounding bodywork. This step requires a steady hand. Once the tail light assembly is out, you can access the bulbs. Simply twist each bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, pull the old bulb straight out and insert the new one. To reinstall, reverse the steps. Push the assembly back into place, reattach the nuts, and reconnect the electrical connector. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Test your lights to ensure everything works perfectly before closing the trunk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.